Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the control menu. To do it, press and hold the lower button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the icon called Control Center and tap on it. And here we have 4 icons, and one of them will be the brightness icon, the one with the sun. And to adjust the screen brightness, you can simply you can simply tap on this icon and you can basically toggle between 3 modes of brightness. We have standard, high and max. You can also press the crown button to do this, like that. And to select the icon, you can scroll with rotating the crown button. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.